It's Stitch Fix June 2.0. Let's see how it goes this time. Hey girlfriends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. My name is Andrea and I like clothes, I like unboxings, I like lifestyle boxes, and today we are going to unbox my second June Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix, if you don't know, is a styling service. You can get a subscription to get it as frequently as every 2 to 3 weeks or once a month, quarter, or on demand. It's a $20 styling fee per box unless they offer you the yearly style pass, which is $49. Any styling fees that you pay, whether it's a yearly pass or the per box fee, will get applied to anything that you purchase. Now, if you get it by the box, you have to apply it to something from that box. If you get the yearly pass, then it can be applied to anything that you purchase. You get 5 items. They give you a 25% discount if you keep all 5. We call that a 5 for 5. And it's free shipping there and back. Trying to think of anything else. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix, I'll leave my referral code below and you'll get anywhere from $25 to $50. Quite frequently they will give me a code for $50, but it's only good for like a couple days after I check out. They give you 3 days to check out, but you can ask for an extension. Oh yeah, drinking today. So, they also do a preview. They give you 10 items to preview, and you can choose up to 5, and if you choose less than 5, then they will add to it to make it 5. And I believe that I chose 2 dresses in my preview. So, let's get to it. They're always sticking things. So there's the envelope, which has your invoice, which I don't look at until the end when I don't want it to affect how I feel about the clothes. And then there's the Oh Hello card, which has a note from your stylist, and they gave me a different stylist, and I'm not sure why, because I'd asked for the same one. Hi Andrea, welcome to your 45th fix. You know what, actually I'm not going to read it because I want to be surprised about what is inside. So, this is what it looks like. They give you the return mailer. And there's also some shoes in here. This is my bundle. Something pink and white striped. I think that might have been something else that I chose. And then shoes. Shoes come in this cute little bag. So we'll do those first. I forgot to say, if you're new here, thank you for coming and watching my video. If you're returning, thank you. Thank you for spending part of your day with me. And if you like fashion and unboxings, then I hope you'll hit that subscribe button and the notification bell and hang out with me for the long haul. All right. Oh my. Oh. These are so cute. That is that, like, I think they call it cornflower blue. It's not a wedge. It's a cork heel, which is, I don't really usually do the chunky heels, but this is so cute. Who are they made by? Violet and red. I have another pair of violet and red, so those are super cute. Excited to try those on. Blue is my favorite color. All right. And then let's get into this bundle. So on top is this, it's kind of like a mauve and white striped shirt. It's really soft. I'll tell you what it's made of in a minute. It's from BRITTON, and it's got a V-neck. It's got little fluttery sleeves, and then it's got that little twisty detail. And then the hem is just straight. So that looks cute. All right. Then next up, I think this is one of the dresses that I chose. I told you I would check what that top was made of. 51% rayon, 45 polyester, and 4% spandex. Okay, we've got a dress by Gold Ray, and it has the kind of spaghetti straps that are adjustable. It's got kind of just tuck in the tag so you can see it, like a crossover at the bust. It's got some ruching or gathers on the, I think just the one side. Yeah, and it's got a slit, but it's lined. It's nice material, it's nice and soft. Let's see what this is made of. I know I don't always check the fabric content, but I'm trying to be better about that. I can't find it though, so I'm not gonna spend too much time looking for it. All right, anxious to try that on. That looks like it could be really cute. And then we have another dress, and this one is by 41 Hawthorne. This is blue and white polka dot. It's got the scallop neck detail, the spaghetti straps that are adjustable. Got pockets. I know some people love pockets. I am not crazy, you know, I'm not like gaga for pockets, but, and then let's see, it's got, yep, just the pockets. Hopefully it's not too short. Looks like it could be a little short. It's nice and soft. So anxious to try that on. And then we have a pair of shorts from Cut from the Cloth, high-rise short, Fray hem, pretty faded. Got just a fly and yeah, pocket from the back. All right, these are some good items. So let's get to the try on. I will show you my outfit of the day and then we'll go ahead and try on. All right. Today I'm wearing white Liverpool shorts. I'm sure you've seen these before, and a blue sweater top from one state that I got from Nordstrom. The shorts I got from Nordstrom also. And then just some Antonio Milani shoes, sandals that I got from Dillard's. I'll come up a little closer so you can see this sweater. It's got like these little puffy sleeves, V-neck. All right, let's read that note from my stylist. Hi, Andrea. Welcome to your 45th fix. Isn't that crazy? My name is Cambria, and I will be your stylist this month. I am glad to see that you liked some items from your fix preview. Let's dive right into this box of summer styles. First, you picked out this pink Flutter sleeve top from BRITTON that will be great for casual summer weekends. Wear it with some white jeans or this pair of Cut from the Cloth shorts. What do you think of the frayed hem? You also picked out some adorable dresses. This black dress from Gold Ray will be the perfect staple piece for your wardrobe. Throw on a denim jacket or some heels for a night out. Lastly, I sent you a pair of heeled sandals from Violet and Ray that come in a bright blue color. Enjoy, Cambria. Okay, let's get to this try on. I think this is a good box, so I'm excited. Starting out with the shorts and the top. The shorts they're just basic jean shorts with kind of a faded wash. And then the top, I like a lot. Let me come up closer. I like the little fluttery sleeves that, you know, that's a nice little detail. Love a V-neck. The twist goes off to the side a little bit. And I think it's cute. It doesn't give me bulk here. And the shorts, they fit pretty good. I've heard you should size down in cut. So they are a little roomy, but they're comfortable. And I think this is a cute outfit. What do you think? I think these two are keepers. We're off to a good start. Let's check out these dresses. So here's the Gold Ray dress, the black one, and I really like this too. It's really soft material, but I feel like it gives me a really good shape. Probably could do with some shapewear, but I'll come up closer. I did put on the strapless bra, so it's got, you know, just the crossover and the spaghetti straps. It's got, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's got like ruching down this side. It's got kind of like a asymmetric hem. So it comes down to a point there and comes up here, but then there's this lining part here. So it gives it that nice asymmetric hem. I'll come up closer. What do you think? I paired it just with a pair of nude and black heels. And I feel like this is the kind of dress that could go for a fancy dinner, or if I threw on like a denim jacket, I could, you know, run errands in it or go out for lunch. So I like this dress a lot. I think this is probably going to be a keeper. All right, so next up we will try the other dress and the shoes. You guys, I love this dress too, and the shoes are super cute. They are a little clunky, but I love the color. Probably wouldn't wear these together because the shoes are kind of a floral pattern, and I think that would clash with the polka dots of the dress. But the dress fits really well. It is not too short, comes up just above the knee. It's got this really pretty scallop detail, and you probably can't, I don't know if you can see it or not, but the scallop detail is in the pockets too. I also forgot to mention in the back, it's sheared. So it's just a pull on and it's got adjustable spaghetti straps. What do you think? Is this super cute? Such a fun, comfortable dress for summer. I think we might be looking at a 5 for 5. All right, let me take the camera into my bedroom so we can do a close-up of the shoes. So these are the shoes. They're such a pretty blue color. And this is from the side. It's got, like I said, it's a little bit of a clunky look, but I think that's on trend right now. I like the back detail, how the strap comes up and then like that. They're comfortable to stand in, a little, not super comfortable to walk in, but it's not because they're too high. It's just the way my foot lands. But I think, let's do prices and a recap. How about that? So I thought I filmed the whole recap and I hadn't turned on the camera. So recap, take 2. All right, this was a really good box, you guys. Cheers to a very good box. I haven't had a box this good in a really long time. And I was, even though I had picked 3 things, so I knew, you know, that I was interested in 3 of the things, a lot of the things in the preview were really frustrating to me. There were a whole bunch of skinny jeans, and I have told them repeatedly that I have enough skinny jeans for now. I guess that's the kind of thing you have to say every single time. It doesn't matter, they still put them in the preview because it's the algorithm. And there was a top that had been in a previous preview that I had rejected and said it was because I had a top very similar to it and didn't need another one. And I can't remember what else, but I remember feeling very frustrated after doing the preview. But I have to say, this was a great box, probably the best one I've had in a very long time. So let's get to prices. First up, we have the violet and red Sharla Sandal in blue, and these are $89. I love that color. I just think that is the prettiest blue, and I love that detail of the strappiness. So those are definitely a consideration. Then I have the 41 Hawthorne Beatrice Scallop Detailed Dress in navy. This is $68. This, I love this dress. In my, what video was it? It was one where I was trying on some other clothes and I had a blue, I think it was my last Stitch Fix video. I had a blue polka dot dress that I had gotten from Amazon and I ended up returning that. And I'm glad I did because I just like this one so much better. I really do. I like it a lot. And so probably going to keep that. All right. Next up, we have the Gold Ray Fray knit dress in black. And this is $68 also. Love this dress. It makes me want to go out to dinner. But can't go out to dinner tonight because tonight our Colorado Avalanche is playing the 5th game of the Stanley Cup playoffs, and good chance that they will win it tonight. So we ain't going nowhere tonight. But the next time I go out to dinner, that's the dress I'm going to wear. All right, next up we have the 9 BRITTON Nahla Flutter Sleeve Knit Top, $36. And that's you know, that's a really good price. Stitch Fix, you're not going to find bargains on Stitch Fix, but that's a good price. So definitely love it, going to keep it. I wanted to show you how in the white stripes, there's like little slashes of that mauve going through the white stripes. And then finally we have the cut from the cloth high-rise Fray hem short in indigo, $69. And you know, this isn't probably a wash I would have pulled off the shelf, but I like it. I love cut from the cloth, and I think I'm going to keep them. I think I'm going to keep all of them. So my stylist pick subtotal is $330 with the buy all discount for keeping all 5 pieces of 25%. That takes off $82.50, which brings it down to $247.50. And I just, you know, I liked it all. Cambria, you did an awesome job. I was disappointed when I saw that it was not Michaela, because I feel like the more a stylist works with you, the better sense of your style they get. But Cambria, I'm going to say you hit it out of the park. Thank you. And I'm going to ask for you again next time. All right, thank you for spending part of your day with me. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you will do so. I'm at almost 300 subscribers, my little baby channel. And if you like this video, please give me the thumbs up. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix, I will leave my referral code down there. Save you some money, give me some credit, win-win. Thanks for spending part of your day with me. And you know, I'm gonna wait till tomorrow and try everything on again, because sometimes I get caught up in the moment and have made some regretful purchases, but I'm feeling really good about this one. So until next time, girlfriends, dress like you mean it.